cord just got Dyno in. Everything went great. I'll give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it, custom ground hydraulic roller, custom pistons. Obviously it's multi-point EFI, got the Pro-Am manifold, Holley throttle body, Holley Terminator X, great system. Get the March serpentine belt set up, make sure it charges for you. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 481 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 489, peak horsepower 463. We rated it 450, so it's got a front end on it. That's usually 25 on that front end, so it runs good. Get her off there, get in her crate, and come your way. Have a great day.